intelligent, but you know the weakness of that robot.
Oh, okay.
So when the robot is malfunction, let me put it, malfunction means because it's not working according to the purpose that you created that robot. You can just trigger the part that will bring that robot down to be able to work it on again. So those things are there because it will happen. It's like we having your normal bank account, and now we have account that we can transact business online. But now you are seeing that because of hackers, I've given my number to somebody. They use my number as a trace contact to get me. So are you saying because of that you won't work on internet banking?
Oh, okay.
You work, but you have to put the measurement in place.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's there, but then we can cope about it.
How important is robotics for Ghanaians? Let me talk for Ghana. How important is it for us as a people?
Okay, so now robotics is something that is driving the whole world. When I talk about robotics, I don't want to leave the AI, because what makes robotics is AI. Now the whole world, we are in industry 4.0. 4.0 means that the economy that is ruling the whole world, we've moved to autonomous based system. Autonomous based system is we want computer system to take decision on their own. You don't, without any human being assisting them. So now you know that you can go to bank, and then there are machines there that you can put money in without even walking to the teller.
Yeah.
That one too is a robot. So some of the bank, like Barclays Bank, they have outside, you can just deposit money, no need for queuing. So you realize that very soon, some of the bank, I read there yesterday, I realized that they have this device there, like the way the tellers are, and you just walk in, you put your number, you put the money, and you are gone. It means that very soon, if you're a teller, your job is
on the line.
On the line. The bank, it's a pilot base they are doing, but they will never tell you.
So that will lead me to my next question. People are afraid that very soon, majority of particular maybe they are going to be pushed out of their way and replaced with artificial intelligence. Is it not going to affect employment in general? Because robots, artificially intelligence assisted gadgets are now going to do the work that humans do there. Then what happens to the human race?
It's not going to affect us. Now we have, as you know, in economy we call scarcity.
Yeah.
It means that the demand for AI
is high.
Is high. The whole world is high. Like we have 1.9 million. They need them to work, but they are not there. When you go to China and the amount they pay them in millions of dollars. This is where the whole world is. So if you find yourself, you are not in that space, what you know is not what your employer is looking for. So it means that you will not be employed because jobs are there, but you are not ready to do the job. So now what we have to do is we need to create the ecosystem, the environment that we can learn the new trend. Where there's job, we need to learn them so that we can also be employed. So there's nothing like we will not get job to do. The job will be there, but you are not be ready to do the job.
All right, so let's talk about CKBS. What do you do? The robotic masters.
Okay, so for CKBS, what we've realized that in the outside world, the foreign countries, let's take it China, US, and all these countries, there's a policy that's AI is compulsory in most of the schools. It's a national agenda that they realize that the whole world is moving to technological base where automation is going to dictate for everything that we do. So they need to empower their people. Empowering them is setting the robotic lab. There's a place where they can do all these things. But when you come to Ghana here, we don't have this system here. And our education system is not also focused in that direction. So we realize there's a gap that we need to fill. So as a company, CKBS realized that we cannot see that the future is not close to us. We are in global village. We are all one. So I can be here and work outside. So we've created a system that we are working on curriculum-based program. The curriculum-based program is we go to the schools, we sign a partnership agreement with them, we set up a robotic lab for them, that they have all the technology for that they can use, AI lab for them.
So you set it up for the schools?
For the schools.
Wow.
And then we provide them a curriculum. So curriculum, what we are doing, we start from preschool level, that is year 3, up to university. We have a program, so it's a progressive, that they will learn the robotics and the programming, everything.
Okay, so how about individuals who may want to bring their children over?
Yeah, with the individuals, because most of the gadgets are very expensive, and parents want to get this kind of. So we came out with this miniature robot. This one that you see here.
Yeah.
It's a robot, and it has all the functionality that a big robot will have.
Really?
So all the technology that we are talking about, you can create them. So this kit that you see, you can build like 40 projects with this. Kids.
Amazing.
Yes, 40 projects with this. So we have this that parents can buy for their award. We have the platform that can assist them.
Okay.
We have instructed that they are ready. We have home service. You can let somebody come to your home to assist your ward.
Okay.
And then we have the lab that if they want to come there weekend basis, they can also an online platform that they can just buy our kits, and then you have access to all our platform.
Right. Okay. So let's have your location, your contact number, and if there are any social media. But are you going to give us a demonstration? Our time is almost up.
Yeah.
Let's quickly.
Let me give you one. So you see this robot. Now this one is obstacle avoidance. So you just look at a place where there's no obstacle, then it moves. So if I push my hand so that it will run, you see, too shy. So this obstacle avoidance robot. So you can do, these kids will build them themselves, and they will do the programming, as you can see. So
is the programming what you call the coding, the Python and all that?
Yeah, that is the coding. That is the coding. So we have the Python and everything there that they will do. So it's very nice and educative that every child can do.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right. So let's have your location.
Okay. So we are CKBS. You can locate us at PWD. PWD, Public Works Department. We are close to Tema Station, opposite Tema Station.
Okay.
There you can locate us there. And our website too is ckbs.education. ckbs.education. You can get us. And apart from that too, my number, if you want to reach me, is 0548 577 075. 0548 577 075.
Okay. So people can bring their children over.
Yeah, they can bring their children over.
Great. Thank you so much for passing through. Now we there, I'm say we cry me be taking lessons because I've seen say a channel and it's avoiding the edge of the table so that it doesn't fall. That is because when you placed it on the table, I was like, oh, as soon as you set it off,
no.
But so far it is avoiding the edges.
And then see where you can just
wow.
That is
amazing. All right, so that is the world of technology. It is here to stay.
Sure.
It's here. See, if you can't beat them, join them. No matter who failed that, or I know of a surgery that was performed using technology. The lead surgeon was not in the country. No baby, and a man for assemble in a particular hospital in Ghana, and he was able to do the surgery. And it was successful. That is technology for you. This morning we learned about robotics and coding. That is the education for the youth. And we hear so please, if you are interested in any of aspects now, kindly get into contact with him and he will sort you out. Once obi are building robots obi or building robots krawaba into brother and sister I have told you that the HB Pulse home-based TV, we have the interest of your business at heart. Into idea bia uye bia fabreye yebeboa yebebo hunderu on sorry and so me want for starting frefredo woti ho den call this number 0552 972249 0552 972249. If you have any goods or service you want us to help you market, now we increase your client and customer base. Our doors are widely opened for you. Either walk into our premises or call this number, and the number again is 0552 972249. So that was Mr. Kingsley Ejeba, head of robotics, CKBS, the robotic masters, who came to give us a little education on robotics education for our youth. We are going on a break. When we come back, the program continues. Don't go anywhere.